Hi, my name is Felipe Montiero. I'm a spine surgeon from Brazil, and I'm here at Seattle SSF Foundation for a 2 weeks observership. And here is what else is happening at Seattle SSF Foundation. Dr. Collie Daring from the University of Iowa will be the guest presenter at our cerebrovascular question and answer discussion section on Wednesday morning. He will discuss the management of atherosclerotic carotid disease. Thursday, Dr. Jennifer Graves will join us for our neurology grand rounds. And Friday and Saturday, we will hold our 10th annual Interventional Pain Management Fellows course. This course covers the latest advances in spine interventional, including nearly all of the latest in minimally invasive treatment of the spine. Unfortunately, all the in-person spots for this course are full, but you are still welcome to join us virtually. You can register for any of these courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for supporting the Seattle SSF Foundation.